Hello everyone! In this short video I would like to show you how to knit this beautiful net stitch pattern I'm using in my current project of Rosalia sweater. The chart has only 4 rows and consists of only 3 repeating stitches. Here show only the net in rounds, but it is also possible to work this pattern back and forth with some insignificant adjustments. To make the pattern work smoothly, I need to cast on a number of stitches that are dividable by 3. Here I have already some rows done, and from this point I start working on the first row of the chart. If you have the same way you do knit stitches as me, you will see them like this. The first stitch I do is almost the same as decrease, slip, slip, knit. So I slip the first stitch, the second, then I turn them the other way, so the back loop is on the right side, and then I knit them together through the back loop. Here is, however, a little nuance. I release only half of the stitch and still hold the left loop on my needle. I slip it back to the left needle and turn it the other way. Then I knit 2 stitches together using the next stitch. I knit them through the front loop. And then I work a yarn over. The first repeat part is ready. As you see, it's not very complicated. Let me repeat once again. I turn first 2 stitches, or do slip, slip, knit, decrease. And you can do it any way you prefer best. Then I knit them together through the back loop. I leave the left loop on a hold, return it to the left needle, turn it, and then knit 2 stitches together through the front loop. If the next stitch is a bit tight, I can stretch it first. And yarn over. I hope that is an understandable explanation and that you can repeat yourself. I just leave you here while I'm doing some more repeats. At the end of the row, I need to remember about the yarn over. Row 2 is a simple one. It consists only of knit stitches. All yarn over I work as a knit stitches, so they will become holes. In row 3, as our holes will be in a chessboard order, the first stitch I do is a knit stitch. Thus I slightly move the repeating part. After the single stitch I do yarn over, and then I start working absolutely the same repeat part as in row 1. It means I decrease, slip, slip, knit, then I hold the stitch, turn it and knit 2 stitches together. Then yarn over. We already exercised enough the repeating part. Please keep working on it until you have 2 less stitches left. At the end, I will have only 2 stitches because I moved the chart. I work them simply as a slip-slip knit decrease. Row 3 is ready. Finally, row 4. It is again just knit stitches throughout the whole round. When I have some stitches done, you will see how the pattern has been formed already. The pattern is very simple and nice looking. When you repeat it more and more rounds, you will get a similar net as on the sleeve. I hope this video will be helpful to you and that you get some inspiration for your knitting projects. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!